So, good morning to you. So, today we are continuing from our yesterday's topic division. Okay. So, yesterday we are familiar with what division facts and what sign of division. Okay. Sign of division and taking some problems. Okay. So, today we are discussing about what division as a repeated subtraction. Okay. So, in subtraction, okay, in previous lessons we are studied about what subtraction. Okay, so you know that subtractor means that any given number we have to subtracting any number. Okay, so it is what simple subtraction. Okay, but today's division as a repeated subtraction of same number. Okay, suppose this one is given that 24 divided by 4. Okay. So 24 divided by 4. So simply what 24 divided by 4 है ना कितना होगा 24 4 6 are 24. It's what 6 times. Okay. Number how much times? 6 times. 6 times divide हुआ. But our topic is division as a repeated subtraction. Okay. So see here. So what will we do? From that 24, we is subtracting continuously, repeatedly 4. Okay. Until all the calculation will get 0. Okay. अब क्या करेंगे ये 24 में से 4 को कंटिन्यूली सब्ट्रैक्ट करते जाएंगे जब तक अपने को उसमें 0 नहीं मिल जाता. ठीक है. So we will start it. Okay. 24 minus 4. What is 20? It's what? One time. Okay. It's one time. Next, minus 4. It's what? 16. It's two times. Again minus 4. It's what? 12. Three times. Okay. Three times. Next, 12 minus 4 equals to what? 12 minus 4 equals to what? 8. Okay. It's what? 4 times. Okay. 8 4 times. है ना? This is what? 4 times. This is 2 times. And this is 3 times. Okay. So repeated subtraction means देखो 24 में से 4 गया वन टाइम अपने इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो we will get what 20. Okay. फिर उसमें से 4 माइनस किया तो कितना मिल गया अपने को 16. फिर 16 में से 4 माइनस किया थर्ड टाइम में तो 12 मिल गया. फिर 12 में से 4 अपन ने क्या किया इसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट किया. ओके दैट इज द 4 टाइम. एंड अगेन सब्ट्रैक्टिंग द 4 from that it is what getting 4. It is 5 times and again subtracting 4 it will get 0. It is what 6 times. Okay. So this is what repeated subtraction of number. Okay. Repeated subtraction of same number. So see here this is 24. From that subtracting 4 and the first time one time what get 20. Next time 4 again. So what get 16. Again 4 subtracting third time. Okay. So what get 12. Again here 4 is subtracting. What get 8. Again 4 is subtracting that is 5 times. Again subtracting 4 in the 6th time it will get 0. Okay. So complete divided 24 by 4 in 6 time. Okay. So what is the answer? 24 divided by 4 equals to what? 6. Get it? Okay. So taking another example. So 15 divided by 5. Okay. So 5. So simply in what previous methods 15 divided by 5, okay, है ना, 15 divided by 5, 5 3 is 15, okay, इस तरीके से भी होगा. उसके बाद में क्या होगा कि 15 divided by 5 equals to what 3, okay, इस तरीके से भी होगा. But we are discussing here what division as a repeated subtraction, okay. So what will proceeding 15 minus 5, okay, it's what one time, okay, one time. So what is 10? Again subtracting 5, है ना, it is what second time getting what 5, okay. So again minus 5, it is what 0, it is 3 times, okay. So what is answer? 15 divided by 5 equals to what 3. Get it? Okay. Now see here, ये नंबर कितना दिया है? 15 दिया है. अब 15 डिवाइडेड बाय 5 करना है ना. सो व्हाट डिवीजन इज अ रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन, है ना. सो व्हाट विल प्रोसीडिंग हियर 15 डिवाइडेड बाय 5, है ना, इसमें से माइनस किया, व्हाट विल गेट 10, है ना, वन टाइम माइनस करने से, फिर सेकंड टाइम माइनस करने से 5, थर्ड टाइम माइनस. सो व्हाट इज आवर आंसर? दैट इज 3 times. It is our answer, okay. So it is our answer, okay. Taking another example, 16 divided by 4, okay. Exercise number 5th B, okay. 16 divided by 4. So what will we get 16 divided by 4? So see here, right here 16 minus 4. What is get 12? It is a one time हो गया, है ना, it is a one time. And 12 minus 4, it is what 8, it is second time. Minus 4, it is what 4, it is third time. And minus again 4, it is what 0, it is the fourth time, okay. So अपने को क्या करना है, किसी गिवन नंबर को अगर किसी नंबर से डिवाइड करना है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, कंटिन्यूअसली उसको जिस नंबर से डिवाइड करना है उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा, उस गिवन नंबर में से माइनस करना पड़ेगा, ओके, अंटिल जब तक कि अपने को 0 नहीं मिल जाता. फिर ये आइडेंटिफाई करना है, ये देखना है कि हाउ मच टाइम इट विल गेट 0, ओके. सपोज 16 डिवाइडेड बाय 4, ओके, 16 डिवाइडेड बाय 4, 4 4 are 16, आगे 4 4 are 16. So how much times? It is 4 times, okay. It is question number first, okay. So it is 4 times. So see here, okay, किस तरीके से इसको सॉल्व किया है ना. 16 divided by 4, so 16 minus 4 12, है ना, one time. फिर 12 minus 4 second time में 8, 8 minus 4 third time, and 4 minus 4 0, okay. So this is our answer, okay. What is answer? 16 divided by 4 equals to what? 4. Got it? Okay, so note down it. हो गया सभी का? Okay. So taking another example, सभी एग्जाम्पल्स इसके जैसे ही है, सेम 1 से लेके 9 तक के, ओके. सो डोंट बी गेट हेजिटेट. सो सी हियर नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, 20 डिवाइडेड बाय 5. सो सिंपली व्हाट इज 20 डिवाइडेड बाय 5? 4, ना, 4. तो क्या होना चाहिए, 4 टाइम्स इसका ये करेंगे सब्ट्रैक्शन, ठीक है. सो सी हियर 20 minus 5, okay, it is what one time. So 20 minus 5 equals to what? 15. Again minus 5 equals to what? 10. Okay. Again minus 5 equals to what? 5. It is third time. And here is what? Minus 5 equals to what? 0. That is 4 time. So what is 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. It is our answer. Okay. Got it? See here again. 20 है अपने पास में दिया नंबर, उसको क्या करना है? 5 से डिवाइड करना है. So 20 divided by 5 equals to what? 4. So 20 minus 5 वन टाइम किया तो 15. फिर 15 में से 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो कितना बच गया? सेकंड टाइम में 10. फिर इसमें से 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो कितना बच गया? 5. फिर उसमें से 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो कितना बच गया? 0. ओके. So how much time? It is what? 4 time. Okay. It's what? 4 time. Got it? Okay. So see the next 27 वाला है ना. So it's what? 27 divided by 9. So 27 divided by 9 it is what? 3. Okay. अब देखो 27 minus 9 करेंगे तो कितना मिल जाएगा? सॉरी 27 minus 9 करेंगे तो कितना मिल जाएगा? 18. It is what? One time. Okay. Next minus 9 करेंगे तो कितना मिल जाएगा? 9. It is what? Second time. Again minus 9 करेंगे तो कितना मिल जाएगा? 0. That is third time. Okay. So what is 27 divided by 9 equals to what? 3. Okay. So in this way we have to solve all the examples. Okay. So very easy and don't we get confusion. Okay. Now this is 27 divided by 9 equals to what? 3. So 27 minus 9 18. 18 minus 9 9. 9 minus 9 0. Okay. So how much time it will be get 0? थर्ड टाइम. ओके. यानी 3 बार में क्या किया? इसको डिवाइड किया. ओके. सो दिस इज अबाउट व्हाट? सो डिवीजन एज अ रिपीटेड सबट्रैक्शन. गॉट इट? सो solve all the questions and enjoying it. Okay. In the classes, in the next classes we will be taking another examples and methods. Okay. So bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.